We are exploring the fascinating history of the 1986 French 1/2 franc coin, a small but important piece of France's monetary heritage. Although it may seem like an ordinary coin at first glance, the 1/2 franc tells a remarkable story about French culture, national identity, and the evolution of currency in Europe. Before the introduction of the euro, the French franc served as the official currency of France for centuries. The franc was first introduced in the Middle Ages and became one of the most recognized currencies in the world. By 1986, the franc had undergone many changes, reflecting the political, economic, and social developments of the nation. The 1/2 franc coin issued in 1986 was part of the modern French coinage system used during the Fifth Republic. This period began in 1958 and continues today as the current Republican government of France. The coin was produced to facilitate everyday transactions and represented 1/2 of a franc, making it useful for small purchases and change. One of the most striking features of the 1986 1/2 franc coin is its design. The obverse side displays the famous sower, known in French as la Semeuse. This iconic image was created by renowned French medalist and engraver Oscar Roty in the late 19th century. The design shows a woman walking forward while sowing seeds into the wind. Behind her, the rising sun symbolizes hope, progress, and the future. The sower became one of the most beloved symbols in French numismatics. It represents the ideals of the French Republic, including liberty, hard work, and optimism. Over the decades, the image appeared on many French coins and banknotes, becoming instantly recognizable to generations of French citizens. Surrounding the image are the words République Française, which means French Republic. These words emphasize the coin's connection to the nation's republican values and democratic traditions. The reverse side of the coin features the denomination 1/2 franc along with olive branches and other decorative elements. Olive branches have long symbolized peace and prosperity. The simple yet elegant design reflects France's tradition of producing beautiful and meaningful coinage. The 1986 1/2 franc coin was minted from nickel. Nickel was chosen because it is durable, resistant to corrosion, and suitable for coins that circulate heavily. The coin measures approximately 19.5 millimeters in diameter and weighs around 3 grams. Its sturdy composition allowed it to withstand years of daily use. The coin was struck by the French mint, known as the Monnaie de Paris. Founded in 864 AD, the French mint is one of the oldest continuously operating minting institutions in the world. For more than 1,000 years, it has produced coins, medals, and other official currency for France and numerous foreign countries. The year 1986 was an interesting period in French history. France was experiencing economic modernization and adapting to changes within Europe. During this decade, technological innovation, industrial growth, and increasing European cooperation shaped the country's future. The 1/2 franc coin circulated during a time when France was strengthening its role within the European Economic Community, the organization that would later evolve into the European Union. Millions of these coins were produced in 1986 to meet circulation needs. Because of their large mintage, most examples are not considered rare today. However, collectors appreciate them for their historical significance, attractive design, and connection to pre-Euro France. For coin collectors, condition plays a major role in determining value. Circulated examples are generally worth only a small premium above face value, while uncirculated specimens with sharp details and original mint luster can command higher prices. Special mint sets and proof versions may also be more valuable to collectors. The 1/2 franc remained in circulation for many years after 1986. French citizens used it for everyday purchases such as newspapers, public transportation, snacks, and other small items. It was a familiar part of daily life across France. Everything changed at the beginning of the 21st century. In 1999, France adopted the euro as part of a major European monetary integration project. The euro initially existed for electronic and financial transactions. Then, in 2002, euro coins and banknotes officially entered circulation, replacing the French franc. As the euro became the new currency, the 1/2 franc coin gradually disappeared from circulation. Citizens exchanged their francs for euros, and the old coins were withdrawn from everyday use. This marked the end of a currency tradition that had lasted for hundreds of years. Today, the 1986 1/2 franc coin serves as a reminder of France's monetary history before the euro era. It represents a time when the franc was an important national symbol and a cornerstone of the French economy. Collectors around the world continue to seek these coins because they are affordable, historically meaningful, and beautifully designed. The famous Semeuse design remains one of the most admired images in world coinage and continues to appear on modern French euro coins, preserving a connection between France's past and present. The coin also offers an excellent starting point for new collectors interested in European currency. It is widely available, relatively inexpensive, and rich in historical context. Through a single small coin, collectors can learn about French art, economics, politics, and European integration. More than just a piece of metal, the 1986 France 1/2 franc coin tells a story of national identity, republican values, and historical transformation. From its elegant Semeuse design to its role in everyday commerce, the coin reflects the spirit of modern France during the final decades of the Franc era. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1986 France 1/2 franc coin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye guys.